Hello, welcome back to your daily English practice. Today, let's practice calm and slow English together. Repeat after me. How are you today? How are you today? Repeat after me. I'm doing well. I'm doing well. Repeat after me. Take your time. Take your time. Repeat after me. That's okay. That's okay. Repeat after me. I'm feeling a little tired. I'm feeling a little tired. Repeat after me. Today is a peaceful day. Repeat after me. Let's stay calm. Let's stay calm. Repeat after me. Everything will be all right. Everything will be all right. Repeat after me. The weather feels nice today. The weather feels nice today. Repeat after me. I'm drinking some coffee. I'm drinking some coffee. Repeat after me. Practice makes progress. Practice makes progress. Repeat after me. I want to learn English naturally. I want to learn English naturally. Repeat after me. I'm improving every day. I'm improving every day. Repeat after me. What are you doing? I'm practicing English. Repeat after me. That's wonderful. I want to speak confidently. Keep practicing every day. Excellent. Now repeat again slowly. Did you eat breakfast? Yes, I did. What did you eat? I ate some bread and fruit. You're doing great. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Speak slowly and clearly. Confidence comes with practice. Small progress is still progress. Believe in yourself. You can become fluent. Never give up. Repeat after me. I need to finish my work. I need to finish my work. Repeat after me. Let's take a short break. Let's take a short break. Repeat after me. I'm listening to music. I'm listening to music. Repeat after me. I enjoy peaceful moments. I enjoy peaceful moments. Repeat after me. Sometimes life feels busy. Sometimes life feels busy. Repeat after me. But we should rest too. But we should rest too. Repeat after me. Take care of your mind. Take care of your mind. Repeat after me. Drink enough water today. Drink enough water today. Amazing job today. Practice English every day, little by little. You're improving more than you think. See you in the next English practice video. Take care and keep learning.